GoPro Hero 7. Does anybody face this problem before? I just bought this camera, and as soon as I opened the box, I looked around, tried to read the menu and see what's in it. At the same time, I faced this problem, weird problems, which is after charging the camera for a few minutes, I plugged it in and I tried to kind of take some shots. However, the camera itself decided to freeze. Just taking a picture or video of my fridge, and it frozen. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I'm trying to figure it out now, but hopefully I'll be able to make it work. Yeah, nothing working, especially with the case. You can see that. Let me take it off the stand. Hopefully I'll be able to twiggle it a little bit and make it work. But this strange problem. This is not my first action camera, but I just tried to be able to kind of see how I could use this one in my next trip. Yeah, nothing working with the mode. Very odd. It told me that it's already charged enough to be used, and I have 5 hours of shooting. GoPro 7 White. Not sure anybody did review about this problem before, but I'm gonna read about it and let you know. But here's my issue with GoPro 7. Alright, let me know, you guys.